Come test drive the 2017 Chevy Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote vehicle start, running boards, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.